Hey, welcome. I wanted to show you a quick video that's going to help you automate opening your websites with some simple lines of code and the help of Python. So let's jump into it. The first thing you want to do is create a .py file. You can name it whatever you want. I name mine opensites.py. So I'm going to go through the steps of exactly what is it that we need to do. So the first thing is we need to make sure that we create a program that is going to open a list of the websites. We're going to feed it to it, and then it's going to open the websites for us. The second thing is we need to define the list of websites that we want to open. So this could be your email, this could be Google, whatever it is that you want to create. We can create this list in here and then feed it to this program. Then the third thing is just to run the program. So let's run through this. So there's already some pre-written libraries that makes things a lot easier. So it's just pre-built code for you. The first one is called Webbrowser, and that's the one that's going to help us open up these websites. The second one is called Time, and this is the one that's going to create a small delay as we're opening each one of these websites. I'm going to show you. Now we're going to create the function that's going to run this code. I'm going to name my function Open URLs. And inside this function, I'm going to give it a list of websites. This list is going to be called URLs. And now we're going to call in our first library called Webbrowser. And the function is called Open New. And inside of this, we're going to put in our list of URLs. Then we actually want to define the list of websites that we want to open. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use my website. And I'm going to also use a video from YouTube. It's got some music from Animal Crossing, which is awesome. Then the next thing that we want to do is we want to run this program. Since it's more than one website, we're going to use a loop. In this case, a for loop that's going to go and run through the list of websites and open each one of them. But I do want to put in a small delay as it opens each one of the websites. In this case, we're going to call in the second library, Time. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to put in a delay of 5 seconds just so you can see exactly what's happening. So now let's run this code. There it goes. Opens the first website. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it opens the second one. Awesome. I'm going to pause that one. And now I'm going to close it. And yeah, so you can feed this thing any type of website that you want, and it's going to open it for you automatically. This is the basics of opening up websites and automating it. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can automate clicks and automate typing. So you can start doing some more advanced stuff like logging into your email, send out emails, data sheets, and then you can start sending out messages. But that's it for this video. I'm going to put in the code here in the comments section, as well as the documentation for these two libraries, Webbrowser and Time. So that will help you out. And I hope that this has been helpful. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to help out. So again, thank you so much. My name is Alejandro, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.